In this video, we're going over the top money-saving repairs that you can do yourself on this 2000 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe. Let's start out by talking about brakes. They're not that difficult to do, and we have thousands of YouTube videos on how to replace them on your specific vehicle. Starting off, you take the wheel off, take the caliper off. There's a couple bolts, slide that out of the way. Take the brake pads off. There's a caliper bracket here. Take the two bolts out of there. Then you can slide the rotor off. You need to clean up the hub surface, clean up the caliper bracket themselves, put that back together with new brake pads and rotors, put the caliper on, and you'll be good to go. For the rear brakes, it's gonna be the same procedure, a little bit different sizes, and you're also gonna have to deal with the parking brake assembly, which is underneath the hat of the rotor. Another repair that's gonna save you a lot of money is replacing your own shocks. Now, you may notice while you're driving down the road, you have a little excessive bounce in your vehicle, or you notice that the shock is leaking itself. What you wanna do is support the lower control arm, remove the shock from the top and the bottom, take the shock out, put the new one in, put it back together, torque it, put the wheel on, you're good. When you're doing the rears, you do the same thing. Just support the rear differential and take the shock out the same way, put the new one in. Replacing your own headlights. On this vehicle, it's extremely easy and it can save you tons of money. There's two little clips right here. These two little clips or pins slide out. Then the light just slides right out and you disconnect the connectors. Slide the new light in place. Put the new pins in and lock it down. It's that easy. And then you should always adjust them after you're done. And replacing your own taillights can save you a lot of money as well. There's only two little screws on the inside. You use a Phillips head screwdriver, take those out. And then there's a couple pins. You push the taillight back, slide the new one on, put the screws in, you're all set. Mirrors can be extremely expensive, and if you do it yourself, you can save a ton. You start by taking some covers off. There's a cover here. Take this lock switch off, that just pops off, and there's a cover down there. There's also a cover down here, right there. Take that cover off, and then there's some fasteners under those covers. Take those fasteners out, and then one more push pin right there. Then the door panel slides right up. Disconnect the electrical connections. There's a few nuts behind here that you have to take off, and then the wiring harness that goes underneath this switch. The only reason you have to take the door panel off is because of that wiring harness. It's as simple as that, and just put it back together. So those are the top common DIY repairs for your Chevy Tahoe. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.